love the 2010 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated seats, third-row seat, DVD system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, quad seating, navigation system, air conditioning, home-link garage door opener. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.